The desert stretches before us, a landscape of stark beauty and relentless sun. Its vast expanse seems inhospitable, a place where life struggles to survive. Yet beneath this harsh exterior lies a world of potential, waiting to be unlocked by those with vision and determination. It's a place where most see only hardship, but a select few see opportunity. These pioneers are not deterred by the challenges. Instead, they are inspired by them. They look at the barren land and see a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a thriving oasis. This is the allure of off-grid desert farming, a challenge taken up by those who dare to cultivate life in the most unforgiving of environments. These farmers are modern-day alchemists, turning sand into soil and scarcity into abundance. Their journey is not just about growing crops, it's about redefining what's possible. The obstacles are obvious. Scorching heat, scarce rainfall, and sandy soil that struggles to retain moisture. These conditions would deter most, but for the determined few, they are merely hurdles to be overcome. Each challenge presents an opportunity to innovate and adapt. Yet, these challenges ignite a spark of innovation. Farmers develop new techniques to conserve water, create shade, and enrich the soil. They experiment with drought-resistant crops and advanced irrigation systems, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in desert agriculture. They demand creativity and resilience. Every day is a test of their ingenuity and perseverance. From repairing equipment under the blazing sun to finding new ways to protect their crops from the elements, these farmers are relentless in their pursuit of success. They call for a blend of ancient wisdom and modern ingenuity. Traditional methods, passed down through generations, are combined with cutting-edge technology to create a sustainable farming model. This fusion of old and new ensures that the land is respected and nurtured, while also maximizing productivity. For those willing to answer the call, the rewards are plentiful. The sight of thriving plants in the middle of the desert is a testament to their hard work and dedication. Each basket of fresh vegetables is a symbol of triumph over adversity. Imagine harvesting fresh, organic produce under the desert sun. The fruits of their labor are not just food, but a source of pride and accomplishment. These farmers prove that with determination and innovation, even the harshest environments can be transformed into fertile ground. Picture a self-sufficient lifestyle, powered by renewable energy and nourished by the land. Solar panels and wind turbines provide the energy needed to sustain their farms, while rainwater harvesting systems ensure a steady supply of water. This holistic approach to farming creates a harmonious balance with nature. This is the dream of off-grid desert farming, and it's more attainable than you might think. With the right mindset and tools, anyone can turn a barren landscape into a thriving ecosystem. These farmers are living proof that with perseverance and innovation, the impossible becomes possible. Off-grid living is about disconnecting from reliance on public utilities. It's a lifestyle choice that emphasizes independence and self-sufficiency, often driven by a desire to live more sustainably and reduce one's environmental footprint. It means generating your own power, typically through solar panels or wind turbines. These renewable energy sources harness the abundant natural resources available in the desert, converting sunlight and wind into electricity to power homes and farms. It means collecting and conserving your own water. In arid environments, every drop counts. Rainwater harvesting systems capture and store rainwater, while wells tap into underground aquifers. Efficient water use is crucial, often involving advanced techniques like drip irrigation to minimize waste. And, in the context of desert farming, it means embracing sustainable practices that work in harmony with the environment, not against it. This includes using organic farming methods, avoiding chemical pesticides, and focusing on soil health to ensure long-term productivity. Desert farming is inherently intertwined with the principles of off-grid living. The harsh conditions of the desert demand innovative solutions and a resilient mindset. Farmers must adapt to the unique challenges posed by the climate, such as extreme temperatures and limited water supply. Both strive for self-sufficiency and minimal environmental impact. By growing their own food and generating their own energy, off-grid desert farmers reduce their dependence on external systems and contribute to a more sustainable future. Both demand resourcefulness and a deep respect for the delicate balance of nature. Farmers must be attuned to the rhythms of the desert, understanding when to plant and harvest, and how to protect their crops from the harsh elements. By embracing off-grid practices, desert farmers can minimize their reliance on external inputs. This not only reduces costs, but also fosters a sense of independence and resilience. They become stewards of their land, carefully managing resources to ensure sustainability. They can reduce their carbon footprint and create a closed-loop system where waste is minimized and resources are reused. Composting organic waste returns nutrients to the soil, enhancing its fertility and structure, while recycling materials reduces the need for new inputs. This synergy between off-grid living and desert farming creates a powerful model for sustainable living in the 21st century. It demonstrates that with creativity, determination, and respect for the environment, it is possible to thrive in even the most challenging conditions. This way of life not only benefits the individual, but also serves as an inspiring example for communities worldwide, showing that sustainable living is achievable and rewarding. Long before modern technology, civilizations thrived in arid regions by mastering the art of desert farming. These ancient techniques, passed down through generations, offer valuable lessons for today's off-grid farmers. Take, for example, the practice of Wadi farming, utilized for centuries in the Middle East and North Africa. Wadis are dry riverbeds that occasionally flood during rainy periods. Farmers learn to channel this precious water onto their fields, using gravity to irrigate their crops. Another ancient technique is the creation of sunken gardens. By digging down below the surface level, farmers create microclimates that trap moisture and protect plants from harsh winds. These sunken gardens, often combined with strategically placed windbreaks, demonstrate the ingenuity of early desert dwellers. Section 4. High-tech harvest. Modern solutions for desert farming. While ancient wisdom provides a solid foundation, modern technology offers innovative solutions to enhance desert farming success. Traditional methods have taught us the importance of resourcefulness and sustainability, but the challenges of modern-day desert farming require more advanced solutions. From water-efficient irrigation systems to climate-controlled greenhouses, today's off-grid farmers have a range of tools at their disposal. These technologies not only help in conserving precious water resources, but also ensure that crops can be grown in optimal conditions, regardless of the harsh external environment. One such innovation is the use of hydroponics and aquaponics. These systems are revolutionizing the way we think about agriculture in arid regions. These methods allow farmers to grow crops without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions instead. This not only reduces the dependency on fertile land, but also allows for more controlled and efficient nutrient delivery to the plants. Hydroponics and aquaponics are especially well suited for desert environments as they drastically reduce water consumption and can be implemented in controlled environments. This means that even in the most arid conditions, farmers can maintain a stable and productive agricultural system. Another game changer is the development of drought-tolerant crop varieties. These crops are specifically bred to survive and thrive in conditions where water is scarce. Scientists are continually breeding new cultivars that can withstand high temperatures and thrive with minimal water. This ongoing research is crucial for ensuring food security in regions that are most affected by climate change and water scarcity. These advancements are making it possible to grow a wider variety of crops in arid regions. With the combination of traditional knowledge and modern technology, desert farming is becoming more viable and sustainable. Farmers are now able to produce not just staple crops, but also a diverse range of fruits and vegetables, contributing to a more balanced and nutritious diet for local communities. The future of desert farming looks promising, as continuous innovations and research pave the way for more efficient and sustainable agricultural practices. Section 5. Desert Wonders. Resilience in Unexpected Places. Deserts might seem barren at first glance, but beneath the surface lies a world of surprising resilience. Desert plants have evolved to survive and even thrive in the harshest conditions, and their adaptations offer valuable insights for off-grid farmers. Consider the cactus, a symbol of desert resilience. Its swollen stems store water, its spines reduce water loss, and its shallow roots are quick to absorb any available moisture. The mesquite tree, another desert dweller, has deep tap roots that can reach water sources far below the surface. These adaptations highlight the importance of selecting the right crops for desert farming. By choosing plants that are naturally adapted to arid environments, farmers can significantly reduce their reliance on irrigation and increase their chances of success.